Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about what happens when your policy assumption's been declined, or maybe an agent's rejected to do it. What are your options? We just ran into this actually today, and the customer's like, I don't know what to do. I've been trying to get this done for 2 weeks, and they tell me it's not an option. Remember, if we're talking about the National Flood Insurance Program policy, we're talking about a residential policy. Maybe it's an investor who's selling it and it's going to become a primary. You can still do a policy assumption if it's through the National Flood Insurance Program. The military insurance companies are usually the only issue. Sometimes you'll run into these policy assumption issues. So it's important to understand. So let's get back to the topic here. Well, what happens when it's declined? What are your options? Well, the first thing you should do is what's called an agent of record change. You need to find an agent that's willing to do this policy assumption for you. Then of course the policy assumption form needs to be filled out, where it's signed by the agent, it's signed by the seller, and it's signed by the buyer, so you can get this policy transferred. So as a customer, that's two things you need to do: is the agent of record form, find an agent that maybe represents the same write your own carrier if it's through one of those write your own carriers, and have them submit this policy assumption form, and have them do it as a rush. So maybe you can get it within 24 to 48 hours so you can get close on that house. So this is what to do if your policy assumption has been declined or someone's rejected to do it. So if you've got questions about policy assumptions, how to do them, is it the best fit for you, then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. And remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.